Moving average is very useful tools, useful indicators, and all over the world many traders, many professional traders use moving averages, like some banks, institutions also use moving averages. And today I will show you how you can use moving average in a very effective way, that is moving average crossover. I use two moving averages, two exponential moving averages. One is 50 period exponential moving average and another is 21 period exponential moving average. The strategy is very simple. When 21 period moving averages cross 50 period moving averages, if 21 period moving averages cross from lower side to upper side, then we will assume that is a buy crossover. Then we will wait to price retrace to our moving averages, and then we will place a buy setup. At the same time, when moving averages, 21 period moving averages will come from up and cross 50 moving averages, then we will wait after a crossover, and when price will retrace to moving averages again, those two moving averages, we will simply set a sell setup. These are a very common trading method, but only few can master the method and only few can know how to use properly. So I will show you practically, then you can also trade with this simple trading method on your trading style. Go to the live session. The chart is USD against Swiss franc, USD CHF. Time frame is 1 hour. Now we will set up our moving average. This is the settings. First I will set 50 periods exponential moving average, and the color would be black color. 50 period exponential moving average. This is a 50 period exponential moving average. Now another moving average I will set, that is 21 period exponential moving average. The color would be green color. So this is our two moving average. Now how can we trade in moving average crossover system? The core strategy is when price, our moving average, cross our 21 period moving average cross 50 period moving average, then we will, if it happens at upper side, we will buy, and if 21 moving average cross from downside, then we will sell. Like what? Like I'm going to give you some example here. This is our first example. As we can see that this black moving average is our 50 period exponential moving average, and this green moving average is 21 period exponential moving average. So this exponential moving average come from lower to higher, and here we can see here is a crossover. So we will not buy here, not buy here, not buy here, neither here. We will buy when this happens. When we see that, then we will only wait for a buy setup, and then we got it. We can buy here at the break of this candle, and stop loss here. If we can do so, then we can make some good amount of profit from here to here. Okay, it didn't touch our stop loss. Now when we got 1:2, we can exit our trade. Then we will wait for another short or long setup. So now we can see beautifully that our 50 period exponential moving average is coming from upper to downside. Then we will wait to come for 21 period moving average. So here we got it. This 21 period exponential moving average come from higher to lower, and in this area we got a crossover. So when we watch this, then at the next candle, like here, we can sell when we watch this. So this is our sell zone. We can sell here and put our stop loss here, so it again make a beautiful movement. Like from if we sold here from here to here, we got a huge amount of profit from here to here. So now we know how to buy and how to sell. Another example I will show you all. Another example. Remember, until we saw any crossover, we didn't sell or buy any currency. Like here is a good here is a very bearish candle, healthy bearish candle, but we didn't sold it because we already sold early. When we saw this, we sold here. So we will, after exiting this trade, we will wait to watch any other crossover. So here we go. Again we saw that this is a 50 period moving average and this is a 21 period moving average. So here crossover happens. When this crossover happens, we got this candle. So we can buy here from here to here. From here to here, there is a good amount of almost 46 pips profit we can got. And this is the ideal example. Again, we got another crossover here, so we can sell here and stop loss here. If we did so, we can make a very good amount of profit. We can make risking only 17 to 18 pips risk and reward would more than 100 pips. We will take just 1:3 or 1:4, then we will exit that trade. This is our moving average crossover strategy. If you have any queries like which pairs are very effective trading this method, which time frames are effective for this method, you can tell me. You can ask me. I will ask. This is a short video, so it's not possible to describe everything. So if you have any queries, you can ask me. I will answer your all questions in comment section. If you find the video informative, hit the like button.